Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to unblock friends or someone on Instagram. Okay, so you can, if you block someone or if you block your friends, so you can unblock it easily. So I will show in my phone, Android phone. But if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same steps. So guys, without time wasting, let's start with the video. So guys, I'm going to show my Android phone. So before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comment below. So here first you have to open the Instagram application, and here there's a two-way you can unblock your friend or someone. So first I will show you. First you have to go in your profile, click on profile, tap on your profile photo, then this your profile image or your profile page will be open. Now you have to click this three line option and go to the settings. In setting you will see lots of options, so find out privacy, click on it. In privacy just scroll down and here you can see blocked account. So here you can see the your all account which you have blocked it. So you have to just select this username and go to the search. Okay, I will show you to block someone. So I will show you everything. So if I just block someone here from, I want to block this one. Okay, so I just block this person. Okay, so it will block though. Then I have to go in my profile, the same step you have to follow. Three line option, go to the settings, privacy, scroll down, go to the blocks account, and you will see the username and you can unblock here. Just click unblock, it will be unblocked. Or if you have, if you remember username, just come here and just type username. Sorry, this is my username. Type needs a username here. And you can unblock from here. Just unblock it. Okay. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.